Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel BritBox subscription step by step clearly. First, check where you originally subscribed, because the cancellation method depends on the billing platform. If you subscribed on the BritBox website, open a web browser and go to BritBox.com. Click Sign In and log in with the email and password you used for BritBox. On the top menu, click your profile icon or your name to open account options. Select Account or Account Details to reach your subscription settings. Find the section called Subscription, Plan, or Membership. Click Cancel Subscription or End Subscription. Read the on-screen information about what happens after cancellation and any remaining access time. When asked, choose a reason for canceling if the page requires it. Confirm by clicking Continue, Confirm Cancellation, or Cancel Membership. Look for a confirmation message on the screen that says your subscription is canceled. Open your email inbox and check for a BritBox cancellation confirmation email. If you do not see the email, check your spam or junk folder. If you subscribe through Apple, open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your Apple ID name at the top. Then tap Subscriptions. Find BritBox in the list and tap it to open the subscription page. Tap Cancel Subscription and confirm the cancellation when prompted. If you subscribe through Google Play on Android, open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon. Then tap Payments and Subscriptions. Then tap Subscriptions. Select BritBox. Then tap Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts to confirm. If you subscribe through Amazon, go to Amazon.com and sign in to your Amazon account. Hover over Account and Lists. Then choose Memberships and Subscriptions or your memberships. Find BritBox and click Manage Subscription or Subscription Settings. Click Cancel Channel or turn off Auto Renew and confirm your choice. If you subscribed through Roku, go to My Roku.com on a browser and sign in. Click Manage Your Subscriptions. Find BritBox and choose Unsubscribe. After canceling, verify that Auto Renew is turned off and note the date your access ends. If you still see charges, contact the platform support you paid through and keep your confirmation email or screenshot. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.